Hey everyone, it's April 18th, 2018 at 12:41 p.m. and today I present you with my 52-inch Craftmade Deluxe Flushmount Hugger type ceiling fan. I think that's what it's called, but it is by Craftmade nonetheless, and it's their most generic looking fan, most generic looking hugger. I got this from fellow collector Jonathan Finn last September. I traded him the blue hugger that once hung here, a 42-inch one, mind you, with the polished brass arms, which really easy to find replacements if need be. But Jonathan, I hope you are enjoying that little blue hugger. I was a childhood fan. I had another one, so I figured I'd trade that one. So it came with everything but blades, and yes, it does. You can either do 4 or 5 blades with these Craftmade huggers. That's the unique thing about them that sets them apart from like the air cools and stuff. But it does share the same kind of motor housing and with a nice filigree sideband. See it there? The filigree. And there are the vents. It's got the regular capsule shaped vents that you'd find on most huggers, not the footprint. But another thing I'd like to point out to you is notice how the shaft doesn't go down as far as with most huggers, like the air cool huggers. Usually most huggers, the shaft kind of hangs down a little bit, which lowers the switch housing. And also notice that the blade arms do not go down as far. And the reason why they hang lower is that to create more airflow. And if they hang down too low, they look kind of, well, fugly. But these ones don't look ugly. They actually look okay. And right there you see the reverse switch. I think this had a light on, I'm not really sure. And there is the Craftmade logo. And another thing I will show you is there's a Craftmade brochure right there. Or not the brochure, with the manual. Right there, the Listen to the Silence. I want to say it was made like circa 1991. It was like one of the older Craftmades, and this is not. I know I did have one. I still do have one that I acquired in 2006 that came with similar blades as this, but that one's packed away. But this one, and the blades on arms in this one came from the Washington, Pennsylvania Habitat Restore, and I got them just because, hey, you know, they're true to this fan, so that's why I use them. So it's more true to form. The other one had air cool blades on it. The other one, the one I showed you in another video, and it was configured with 5. But I mean, when Jonathan had it, he gave us 4 air cool blades, and the 5th blade arm I showed you in that little baggie with the paperwork, or the owner's manual, whatever you want to call it, was in there. But anyway, let's have a look at the blade, shall we? Starting with the arm, and we'll work our way to the top. It's got that unique Craftmade pointed tip, their own little signature pointed tip. And the one I got back in 2006, it came with a spotlight kit, and one of the blades, it had all 5, but one of them was warped. I think I donated the blades. I think I hung it in this very spot with 4 blades, just like this. But anyway, times are better now in my life, and you know, and I have made a comeback. But anyway, let's rev this fan up first on low. And the pull chain matches the blades too, but medium. It's rather new, it doesn't have that many miles on it, and the bearings were really good on this fan. Feel a little bit of a breeze on it in medium. And let's try this sucker out on high, shall we? Oh yeah, she's cranking out air, baby. Pan down to the bench right there. Oh yeah, she's moving there. And I do have a white and polished brass version of this new in the box. And it came with these odd set of blades mismatched, but anyway, I will be using a set of air cooled cane blades because why not? Don't see too many 4-blade huggers with cane on it, white ones, especially with polished brass. Feel that. Feel that breeze. I may have this up here for a while, I don't know yet, but anyway, I think we will power it down. Yeah. I mean, it's a good functional fan. Usually the fans I put up in that section are more the functional ones. Going to spin down. Yeah, it's 100% original, 100% Craftmade stuff. I did not add anything to it. You hear all that noise in the background. It's, you can tell we are in the season of road construction. And I guess the season of still winter is over. Spin down. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.